Hey, it's Hugh here from Web Dimensions, and you found it! My special secret offer for my exclusive membership where I provide every software title that I have published for you in agency licensing, plus ongoing mentoring, training, and hands-on demos where I personally wrangle today's technology and show you how at the same time. So here's what this membership is all about, in case you aren't familiar with Hugh and Web Dimensions, Inc. In 2012, Hugh solved the problem of Google traffic for thousands when he launched his first public product release through Web Dimensions, Inc. Instant Content Curator Pro. It was among the top 20 launches of the Warrior Forum at the time. That success was shortly followed by Viral Image Curator Pro and then Viral Video Curator Pro, both of which expanded on the curation paradigm, helping even more users. In the years ensuing, Hugh explored and developed new powerful systems for marketing, publishing such software titles as ICC Express, ICC Keyworks, and Silo Factory, and eventually a whole new line of cloud-based video and social media marketing tools, many of which were not launched publicly and had only been available to Hugh's in-house members. Flash forward to today, where Web Dimensions Inc. tools have reinvented themselves with AI in some remarkably innovative ways, especially Hugh's line of Smart AI. Tools and plugins are extremely powerful and solve many problems for people who market online with WordPress and other CRMs. Smart AI Content Creator plugin for WordPress and Smart AI Command Console are Hugh's state-of-the-art artificial intelligence interface tools for marketing and building websites. ImageWorkz is Hugh's state-of-the-art AI image generation and manipulation tool. Definitely hours of fun with hundreds of image algorithms to choose from. You'll receive unlimited access to all of these effective systems once you're in the membership, and you'll be able to use them to build your clients' successes as well. One of the important components of the membership is the weekly live Zoom call that Hugh hosts every Wednesday. These consist of an hour or more where Hugh peels back the layers of the onion of marketing technology and strategies. He shows off techniques he's learned to implement and how to automate those processes, including ways to get better results from OpenAI, or better rankings in Google, even more effective video marketing, and automated but effective social media marketing with AI training is provided, and a lot more. We don't recommend using any of these kinds of tools, though, without knowing what you're doing. They're very powerful. What's recommended is a well-rounded marketing approach to any business that goes beyond just using some software. That's why Hugh's weekly live calls keep you on path to what's working today, what's not working today, and what's even more important, what can get you in trouble. We look at all of it. All the live calls are recorded and archived for your perusal whenever convenient, so you're going to receive the live calls as well as our exclusive private Facebook group where Hugh provides ongoing support. Hugh has been giving these live calls for members for years. We have a great group. It's my favorite time of the week, and I'd love to have you be a part of it. You now have an opportunity to get all Web Dimensions software, training, and community at one low price. A price you can easily handle and won't be a burden to you, and will never go up, while the products continue to get better and better. And there's no risk, because if it turns out not to be for you, you can cancel at any time. And to make this even a better deal, I also promise to give you any other new launching products that I produce, as long as you remain a member. In a way, this means less money for me because you won't be buying the products when I launch them. But by setting this very reasonable, easy fixed pricing for you, I guarantee you'll be able to stick with me and really get value from this membership. It's a win-win. So this is the classic good trade setup, very low risk and unlimited possible returns. If I were you, I'd jump on it.